The following proposal is prepared for the hiring committee for the mathematics department. In the U.S., millions of students around the nation enroll in institutions of higher education in pursuit of a college degree. Despite the attention on career readiness in the K-12 setting, approximately 40% of first-year students report enrolling in at least one developmental course. Longitudinal studies illustrate the challenges with low course and degree completion rates in developmental courses, particularly in math. To support student success in these courses and advance the rate of degree attainment, it is necessary for instructors to utilize pedagogy and tools that facilitate students' growth mindset and views towards learning mathematics, in addition to the acquisition of skills and content knowledge. The proposal to integrate Flipgrid in the classroom focuses on utilizing technology to improve students' disposition about mathematics, improve the interpersonal nature of the classroom, and reinforce a learner-centered classroom that shifts the balance of power to learners. Although designed as a platform to share and reflect on a topic, Flipgrid can be utilized as a tool to flip the classroom and provide content exposure to students before classroom lecture, as well as reflection post-course instruction. In transitional mathematics, Flipgrid can be used by instructors to introduce scaffold learning and reinforce math concepts. Flipgrid fosters social interaction and creative problem-solving between students through peer learning. Cooperative learning improves students' achievement, persistence, and attitudes, and students can build their confidence and self-image not only from learning from peers, but by teaching others. With Flipgrid, students can upload weekly videos clarifying their metacognitive process and solving problems by using a think aloud method. When students encounter an issue or a problem on a topic, students can clarify the procedures and methods attempted and identify the challenges encountered. Other students can then provide the individual with feedback, tools for solving the problem, and help the learner overcome the challenge. By integrating Flipgrid in the math course, expected learning outcomes include enhancing students' metacognitive thinking, communication, and presentation skills by creating weekly video discussion posts, and improving student collaboration and creative problem solving by reviewing, validating, and commenting on peer work. Flipgrid is accessible and inclusive for many learners. Flipgrid uses speech recognition software to produce auto-generated captions powered by Google Speech API. Not only are students with hearing impairments able to engage in classroom discussion, but students with limited English proficiency can reap the benefits of closed caption videos. In addition, the use of pre-recorded videos and resources puts the student in the control of the learning process. With traditional lectures, students try to capture and transcribe the instructor's lecture in real time, which makes it difficult to stop and reflect on the content. However, with pre-recorded lectures, students can manipulate videos as necessary to engage in deeper learning and understanding. Students benefit from the integration of technology as it aligns with their preferred learning style and limited attention span. For instructors, it is a discipline and improvisation that allows the individual to conceptualize creative teaching within curricular structures. One of the challenges of using Flipgrid in the classroom is that specific skills are necessary to navigate the learning tool, but can be mitigated by slowly developing resources and practicing using technology. A challenge that students can experience is the lack of equipment or internet access to support the rapid delivery of video content. Although the use of technology and social media application is far more prevalent, there's a cacophony of opinions in terms of the effective uses, if any. Although it may be viewed as a distraction by others, Flipgrid allows students to engage in social and active learning, joint inquiry, and meaningful learning activities that enhances greater understanding and success for all. Phone applications such as Flipgrid creates an environment of seamless learning where learning continues across contexts. So a piece of work started in the classroom can be continued at home, and ideas that occur on the move can be shared with colleagues online, then followed up in person. Most importantly, institutions who have implemented such learning tools have seen improvements in retention rates and student satisfaction by using video clips to scaffold assignments rather than standalone course elements. Ultimately, Flipgrid is only one of the many tools available for instructors to begin using in the classroom. When integrated properly, learners can use social media and technology in the classroom as a tool to monitor or reflect on their learning process, compare their activity with others, and overall become better learners.